Still using AliExpress for dropshipping? Man, you're just burning time and cash on ads for nothing. AliExpress just doesn't cut it anymore. It's a total pain to find solid suppliers, and you miss out on the key stuff you need to actually make money with your store. Even if you do get lucky and find a decent supplier, good luck finding that same product again. You'll be stuck with 90-day shipping nightmares, beat-up packaging, and orders that just straight up never show up. If you're just starting out or feeling sketchy about using AliExpress, hang tight. Watch this quick 5-minute video. I promise you'll walk away with the dropshipping supplier you've been dreaming of. I'm gonna drop some awesome beginner-friendly alternatives to AliExpress that'll level up your dropshipping game. So make sure you watch this video all the way through. Don't skip a second, because I'm breaking down the key features of each one to help you pick the best fit for your biz. As we go along, the AliExpress alternatives just keep getting better and better. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive right in. Coming in at number 5 on my list is CJ Dropshipping. They've got a massive selection of products across all kinds of categories. Can't find what you need? No worries. You can still source stuff straight from AliExpress through CJ Dropshipping. The best part? It integrates with pretty much any e-commerce store. Oh, and they've got a slick mobile app too, so you can run your store from anywhere, even while chilling on the couch. Now, let's keep it real. CJ Dropshipping isn't all sunshine and rainbows. The standard shipping time kinda sucks, usually around 25 to 30 days. Yeah, it's cheaper, but still, that wait can kill your vibe. Some items do ship faster, like 5 to 10 days, but it's hit or miss, which makes picking the right products a bit of a headache. They also offer some cool premium stuff like private labeling, custom packaging, and printing, but heads up, that's gonna cost you extra. And while the platform is packed with features, the interface can be a bit of a maze for beginners. So it's got potential, but there's a bit of a learning curve. Snagging the number 4 spot on my list is 𝗀𝗃. This one's pretty dope. They've got a huge variety of products across various categories, so you'll have no trouble keeping your customers happy. Plus, their pricing is super competitive, which means more profit in your pocket. 𝗀𝗃 integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Shoplazza, and a bunch more. What I really dig is the clean, user-friendly interface. Super easy to use, even if you're just starting out. No guesswork, just smooth browsing and product picking. But hey, it's not all perfect. 𝗀𝗃 has its downsides too. One big issue is the long shipping times, which can seriously tick off your customers and kill your chances of getting repeat orders. And then there's the inconsistent product quality. Some items just don't live up to the hype. A bunch of users have dropped negative reviews about cheap or poorly made products, so that's definitely something to watch out for. Coming in at number 3 is Zenrop. And yeah, it's a solid pick. They've got a big product catalog and offer 3 shipping options. Economy, the cheapest, gets your stuff there in 15 to 30 days. Standard shipping takes about 7 to 15 days to the US and 5 to 10 days to the UK. And then there's Express. But that's only for pro users. It's fast though, 5 to 10 days to the US and 3 to 9 days to the UK and Australia. Zenrop also hooks you up with private labeling and exclusive product listings for trending items. But here's the catch, all the juicy features are locked behind the pro plan. Plus, Zenrop only works with Shopify, so if you're on WooCommerce or another platform and don't want to drop extra cash for the good stuff, stick around. The next pick might just be your perfect match. Grabbing the number 2 spot on my list is Spocket, a super popular platform that connects you with top-notch, reliable dropshipping suppliers, helping you build trust with your customers right out of the gate. One cool feature? You can order product samples straight from the dashboard with just a couple of clicks. Perfect for checking quality before you start selling. Most of Spocket's suppliers are based in the US and Europe, which means faster shipping and happier customers. It works seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and a bunch of other platforms. You'll find a wide range of premium and standard products across all kinds of niches. And yep, you can even source from AliExpress if you want. They also offer white label products, but right now, that's mostly limited to cosmetics and beauty stuff. But Spocket's not perfect. It's got a few downsides you should know about. First off, the number of suppliers is kinda limited, especially if you're looking to ship worldwide. Most of their focus is on US and EU-based sellers, so options for global shipping are pretty slim. And while some products ship fast, the shipping fees can be steep, sometimes up to $26 per order. Even deliveries to big countries like the US, Canada, UK, and Australia can take 15 to 30 days, which isn't great. Also, because Spocket works with high-quality suppliers, the product prices are usually higher, and that can really cut into your profit margins. For beginners, this can be tough. A lot of new dropshippers struggle to stay profitable because of this. Alright, now for the big reveal. Coming in at number 1, my top pick for dropshipping suppliers is Fulfillment. This one's a total game changer. Let's get into why it beats the rest. They've got everything you need to run a killer dropshipping business. Seriously, Fulfillment covers it all. From fast shipping and top-tier product quality to next-level customer support, they don't mess around. Can't find a product in their catalog? No stress. Just drop them a product URL or even a photo, and their sourcing team will handle the rest. They'll track it down and get it ready for you to start selling ASAP. Total plug-and-play vibes. It doesn't get easier than this. Let's break down what Fulfillment brings to the table. Shipping time is a big deal in dropshipping, and with AliExpress, their so-called free shipping usually takes 25 to 30 days, which is straight up brutal. And if you try to speed things up, you're often looking at shipping fees that cost more than the actual product. Like seriously, who's gonna buy a $10 item when the shipping's $15? That's a hard no from most customers. Fulfillment flips the script with faster, more affordable shipping, so you don't have to worry about losing sales over wait times or crazy shipping costs. Now compare that to Fulfillment. Just head over to their site, click on Services Greater Than Private Line, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Fulfillment crushes it when it comes to shipping. 4 to 7 days to Australia, 5 to 8 days to the USA, Germany, Italy, and Spain, 3 to 5 days to the UK and France. That's crazy fast compared to the snail pace of AliExpress. And get this, their return and refund policy is actually solid. If your customer gets a damaged product, Fulfillment refunds you. If it's the wrong product, they'll resend it for free. No drama, no hoops to jump through. Honestly, no other dropshipping supplier offers this level of trust and support. Fulfillment's got your back when it comes to making your products look too. They offer professional product photography services to boost conversions and make your store look way more legit. On top of that, it integrates smoothly with all the big platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, and more. So whether you're selling on one site or juggling multiple stores, Fulfillment makes it super easy to manage everything in one place. Total convenience, zero hassle. Plus, once you're in with Fulfillment, you're not left hanging. You can chat with their team directly on Skype and get quick, real-time responses. No more waiting days for support emails. It's fast, personal, and super helpful, just the way it should be. Another solid reason to go with Fulfillment is their top-notch product quality. They've got their own warehouse in China, where they keep products in great shape so your customers get exactly what they expect. No nasty surprises. Got a hot-selling item? You can store your inventory there for free. Then, when orders come in, Fulfillment ships them out fast using their private line. And the cherry on top? You can customize everything. Add your logo on the packaging, include flyers, business cards, custom boxes, and more. It's an easy way to make your brand look pro without doing the heavy lifting. To get started with Fulfillment, just hit that Get a Free Quote button and kick off your journey toward running a profitable dropshipping biz. That's a wrap for this video. Hope you found it super helpful. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome dropshipping content. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.